Hello, today we're here at Seafood Soul and we're going to demonstrate some of our signature dishes that has made us popular within the community with our customers. We're going to be demonstrating our homemade mac and cheese. We're going to start off first. I have a pot of water. It's nice and hot. What we want to do is we want to stir it occasionally, 3 to 5 minutes. So it can get nice and tender. The noodles have been cooking for about 10 minutes. Safety is always important in the kitchen. And what I like to do is just to add a little sour cream to the noodles, which roughly is 2 spoons. Want the sour cream to dissolve, basically coating the mac and cheese. While we're doing that, we're going to take a little bit of mozzarella cheese with a little cheddar cheese. And basically that's what I just put in there was a half a cup of each one. Mixing that together real nice. Now we're going to put it in the pan and mix the rest of the ingredients. So we have a half hotel pan with our noodles, a little sour cream. We're going to level this off. Adding in our liquid, which is just milk and eggs. We want enough so that the noodles have plenty of room to swim, so as it tighten up, it doesn't become dry, but stay nice and cheesy. Want to finish it up with a little mozzarella cheese. Spread it all throughout the top. A little cheddar. And because we have cheese already in the noodles, we don't really need a whole lot. What we want to do is, so your mac and cheese doesn't dry out, we're going to sprinkle just a little paprika so that as it bakes, it will give it a nice golden brown color. This will help you keep your mac and cheese nice and cheesy, but has the color that you desire on top. It has been about 20 minutes and our mac and cheese has gelled together and has the nice light golden brown color that we desire. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's nice, still creamy and moist inside. We have the nice color, and then as I touch it, it feels nice, firm, it's not sinking in. That is what we look for.